Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope so that you all will be fine. You know that we are on chapter number 3 and we are now today doing the heading of this is my early home. And today we are going to do its exercise from workbook. Now look at the A part. He is a boy. And the title is pronouns. You know students that a pronoun is a word we use in place of a noun. He is used in place of any person. That may be Aslam, that may be Ali. So he is a pronoun, a word which is used in place of noun. The first one statement is read the sentences, note the pronouns. Look here, Suhail is a boy. He is 6 years old. His brother is 10 years old. He is a pronoun here and his is also a pronoun because we have used both these words in place of Suhail. If we continuously use the word Suhail, Suhail, Suhails, it doesn't look nice. So, English has a very beautiful alternative words which we can use in place of noun. So, he and his is a pronoun here. Now look at part 2. Put a line under all the pronouns. A sentence, he is a friend of the captain. You know that he is a pronoun, so you have to underline this. B part, his name is Jafar. His is a possessive pronoun, so his is a pronoun. C part, he and his brother live in Multan. Here two pronouns are used, he and his. Look at D part. They are going to buy a car. They is used in a plural sense. If there are two or more persons, you use they pronoun. Now look at E part. Their father will give them some money. Students, here their and them are also pronouns. You also have to underline these pronouns. So this is the exercise of part 2. Now let's move towards the third one part. Look here, write these sentences again. Use pronouns in place of names. Students, there are some rules and regulations to write down the pronouns. If there is a male person, if there is a person who is a boy, you have to use he instead of the name of that person. If there is a girl, you use she. And if there are plural nouns, more than one person, like these two boys, so you will use they. If you are talking about yourself, then instead of your name you will use I. And if you are yourself and with you, your sister and someone else, you will use we pronoun. Now look at the A part. Huma gave Huma's brother a present. She gave her brother a present. Now look at B part. John and David played with John's and David's toys. There are two persons, John and David, so we will use pronoun they. They played with their toys. Now move towards the next one page. This is page number 16, C part. Slim spoke to Slim's father. Because Slim is a boy, so we will use he pronoun. He spoke to his father. Slim's, his. D part. The dog ate the dog's food. The dog likes biscuits. Students, when you have to use pronoun instead of any animal, you use it. So the sentence will be, it ate its food. It likes biscuits. Now look at E part. Slim lost Slim's cricket ball. Slim bought a new one. So we will use he instead of Slim. Slim lost his cricket ball. He bought a new one. Now look at B part. Can you or can you not? The first one statement is fill in the blanks with can't, couldn't, won't and wouldn't. Students, first of all I would like to tell you that there is a big difference between can't and won't and couldn't and wouldn't. If I say to you that I can't draw a cat and same I write a sentence I won't draw a cat, there is a big difference between the two. I can't mean that I am not capable, I am not able to draw a cat. But if I say I won't draw a cat, that means I am not willing to draw a cat. Maybe I know how to draw a cat, but I am not going to do this. Same is the difference between couldn't and wouldn't. So you have to fill these blanks. A part is, can you lift this box? No, I can't. Yesterday the boy couldn't lift the box. If you are talking about the past tense, you will use couldn't in place of can't. Now look at B part. Will you post this letter? No, I won't. That means I am not willing to do this. Yesterday the girl wouldn't post the letter. I think so students, this exercise is quite clear to you. You have to do this homework on your book and learn it well. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.